You will be amazed by this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.